Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, the reasoning, sir, you have done, sir, when the offline and online classes both are in the present, sir, in the online classes, sir, in the reasoning copy, sir, what we have done, sir, can you send the pictures of that? Sir,
Beta,
I have to also do.
after your UTs were over, we have not done anything in reasoning till now. We will be doing. Don't worry. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, what we are doing?
We are.
Can we do? Sir, can we do reasoning?
I promise.
sir.
No, beta. We will not do
Yes, sir. We
reasoning
have
now.
not done.
We will not do reasoning.
So you have said you will show a video.
I will. Yes, I will show you a video of. I will show you a video of that.
Tell about triangles. Angles. Triangle.
Yeah. Let me search the video. Okay, I will show you.
Sir, please show the video.
Yes, beta. Just showing the video. Just wait. Okay. So yeah. Just wait. It is playing.
My job is to make college easier because students have a lot on their.
Sir, we can't see it. Sir, I can just hear it.
Sir is not sharing the screen right now.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The sound is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See the video, all of you. So you can see that this in this picture there is a there was a triangle made, any triangle. Okay, just without any measurements it was made, and when the angles were measured, we found that angle A is 73 degrees, angle B is 54, and angle C is 53. And we checked that the sum is 180 or not. We find that the sum is 180 only. So एक तो ये तरीका है. Okay. Now it is being shown with the help of this paper cutting activity. Okay. See it. So you will see that when we arrange these angles in this manner, we will see that it will form a semicircle. A proper semicircle will be made. Although in this video you can see that it is not that proper, because the measurement taken for the arc taken for angle 1 was a little smaller than angle 2 and angle 3. But अभी भी पता चल रहा है, दिख रहा है that it is forming a semicircle. Okay. Just a minute.
Like you're having a hard time reading on the web. Wait, are you seriously trying to highlight on the screen?
Okay, see this, all of you. Here a triangle is made first of all.
Now
A triangle is made. The three corners of the triangle are colored. Okay. And now they are going to cut the pieces of these angles.
Now carefully cut all the arcs from the triangle. Paste the cutting of the arcs adjacent to each other on another chart paper. We observe that the three angles ABC together constitute one angle. This angle is a straight angle and so has measure 180 degree. The three angles together make a linear pair.
So we can see that in the video, the three angles when combined together, they are forming a straight angle. बन रहा है देखिए, straight angle is always 180. So this shows कि ये एंगल कट होके कहाँ से आए हैं, ये ट्राइंगल से ही तो कट होके आए हैं तीनों एंगल्स. So what we can see, we can say that the sum of all the three angles is always 180 degrees. ठीक है? Understood, all of you? Yeah.
Sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
send this video in the WhatsApp group also?
180 degree.
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, ये वीडियो अब मेरी वीडियो में आ जाएगी, आपके क्लास की वीडियो देखिएगा, यू कैन सी इट. ओके,
Okay, sir.
okay. So I think the angle sum property is clear to everyone now. Angle sum property of triangle. The sum is always 180. It is a very useful property. How can we use the property for our benefit? अभी यूज करके दिखाते हैं कैसे हम इसको अपने फायदे में यूज कर सकते हैं.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर, आप जो भी बोर्ड पे लिखोगे वो हमें सेम पेज पे लिखना है जिसमें हम लोग ने sum of all three angles of a triangle is
Yes,
always
you can
equal.
start the exercise. We are now starting the exercise. You can start the exercise from the same page.
Okay.
Exercise 18.1, question A, first part. Here, two angles of the triangle are given.
Sir, this exercise we have to do in notebook or in book. Sir,
We have
to do in notebook or in book.
we have to do this exercise in the notebook, in the copy. ठीक है? So angle ABC is given 45 degrees. ठीक है? Angle BAC is given 75 degrees. And angle ACB is missing. We have to find out. These are the three angles of a triangle. इस ट्राइंगल के तीन एंगल्स हैं जिसमें से दो हमको पता है, थर्ड वन हमको फाइंड करना है. Do you know that
Sir,
we
may
can
I tell
find the
how we
missing
will do?
angle with the use of angle sum property? We can find the third one.
Sir, may I
How
tell
we are going to
have
write it?
We have
Ruja,
to
beta,
plus,
well,
Sir, we have to plus
sir, we have
45
to plus ABC
plus
and BAC and subtracted
and
by
sir, subtract
180.
from 180.
Yes,
And
sir.
we will get.
But how will you
Sir,
write
we will
it
get the
in the
answer.
copies? How to write it in the copies? Just see. Angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB, the sum of all the three angles equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Keep your mics off. Angle, write down the reason in the bracket. जब भी हम कोई property use करते हैं, we write the reason in a bracket. Reason means property का नाम.
Sir, this we have to write in our copies.
Yes. Angle sum property का use करा हमने. ठीक है? Which property? Angle sum property. It says that in a triangle, the sum of all the three angles is 180. Put कर दिया तीनों का sum 180. Now angle ABC is 45. Let's put the values. Angle B. You have to write it. Yes, it is very important to write this thing. Always.
Sir, can you explain me this again? Sir, I
Beta.
couldn't understand it.
I will explain, don't worry. So angle BAC is 75. On putting the values, अभी तक हमने क्या करा है, हमने सिर्फ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी मेंशन करी है कि ट्राइंगल के तीनों एंगल्स का सम क्या होता है, 180 होता है. ओके, लुक एट द बोर्ड. स्टार्टिंग से बता रहा हूँ. दो एंगल्स हमको गिवन है, थर्ड वाला हमको फाइंड करना है। ओके, सो वी राइट दैट सम ऑफ ऑल द थ्री एंगल्स, तीनों एंगल्स का नाम लिखा, इन तीनों का सम, एड सम यानी कि एडिशन, इक्वल टू 180 हमने पुट कर दिया, बिकॉज हमको पहले से पता है कि 180 होगा। सो एंगल एबीसी की वैल्यू 45 पुट कर दी, एंगल बीएससी की वैल्यू 75 पुट कर दी, एंगल एसीबी यहाँ पर मिसिंग है। ये कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? 45 प्लस 75 व्हेन यू ऐड व्हाट डू यू गेट? यू गेट 120. 120 plus angle ACB is the first part. Here two angles of the triangle are given.
Sir, this exercise we have to do in notebook or in book. Sir,
We have
this we have
to
to do in notebook or in book.
do this exercise in the notebook, in the copy. ठीक है? So angle ABC is given 45 degrees. ठीक है? Angle BAC is given 75 degrees and angle ACB is missing. We have to find out. These are the three angles of a triangle. इस ट्राइंगल के तीन एंगल्स हैं जिसमें से दो हमको पता है, थर्ड वन हमको फाइंड करना है. Do you know that
Sir,
we
may
can
I tell
find the
how we
missing
will do?
angle with the use of angle sum property? We can find the third one.
Sir, may
So
I
how
tell
we are
how
going
we
to
have
write
to?
it?
We have to plus,
Sir, we have to plus
sir, we have to
45
plus
plus
ABC
plus
and BAC and subtracted
and
by
plus subtract
180.
from 180.
Yes,
And
sir.
we will get.
But how will you
Sir, we
write
will
it
get the
in the
answer.
copies? How to write it in the copies? Just see. Angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB, the sum of all the three angles equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Keep your mics off. Angle, write down the reason in the bracket. जब भी हम कोई property use करते हैं, we write the reason in a bracket. Reason means property का नाम.
Sir, this we have to write in our copies.
Yes. Angle sum property का use करा हमने. ठीक है? Which property? Angle sum property. It says that in a triangle, the sum of
Sir, can you hear us?
Yes, beta. Yes. Sorry, I was disconnected. There was some network
Sir,
issue.
no. Sir
I'm
is not
back.
in a meeting.
I'm
But
there.
sir, you are not properly. But sir, you are not properly audible. Your voice is cracking. Sir is not in the meeting.
I'm there in the meeting.
अरे
Beta.
sir आ गए.
I was disconnected because of some network issue. I'm back. Okay. I don't know what happened in between.
Sir, do you know when you left, the Noel become the host and he was laughing.
Okay, all of you. So we were on this. I was telling you that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, and
How the every answer is coming 180?
beta
Sir,
अभी
the
तो
first and
समझाया.
second. Sir, but third in which we have to found where it is also coming
Sir,
180.
60 degree will be there. As
So,
sir, you will multiply.
angle, to find angle ACB, we will take 120 in RHS. ये 120 यहाँ पर LHS में एडिशन में है, तो ये जब RHS में जाएगा, ये सब्ट्रैक्शन में चला
Sir,
जाएगा,
answer is 60 degree.
माइनस हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
Sir,
माइनस
Sir, answer is
120.
60 degree.
So 180 minus 120, we get angle ACB equals to 60 degrees.
Is to 60 degree.
मिल गया हमको आंसर. So very simple. It is very simple. जो दो angles आपको given है उनको ऐड करिए. उनको ऐड करने के बाद we will subtract from 180. We will get the answer.
And sir, in the copy we have to write like this only.
Yes, you have to write it like this in your copies, in the same manner. Okay. Note it down in your copies, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Note down in your
Sir,
copies.
note
and
it
see.
down.
All of you, please turn off your video for this period because I'm having some network problem. You can turn off your video, everyone. Please turn off your video for this period. अपने videos बंद कर लीजिए so that I can take the class easily. कुछ network problem हो रही है.
Sir, sir, I cannot hear your voice. Sir, please tell me again.
Iram sir is saying turn off your video.
Okay, sir. Sir, it is saying that we can't turn on my video. That is saying you cannot start a video because the host is.
Sir is saying
I'm not
not
asking
to
you to turn on your video. Keep it off. Okay, Hiram, keep it off for this period. There is some network problem. That is why I am saying.
Sir, can you explain this to me again?
Yes, beta. Yes. Here in this question, two angles of a triangle are given. ये एक triangle के angles हैं, तीनों angles. Triangle में we all know there are three angles. So two angles are given. First one given, second one given, third one missing. Third angle is missing. Question mark. We have to find. How are we going to do it? We will write that the sum of all the three angles, तीनों angles को add करके हमको पता है कि 180 आता है. पक्का मालूम है कि 180 ही आता है, इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं आता है, 180 ही आता है. So we put the values of angle ABC and angle BAC 45 and 75 put कर दी हमने values. And angle ACB की value पता ही नहीं है, तो angle ACB लिखा रहने देंगे उसकी जगह. So 45 plus 75 when you add you get 120. इन दोनों को ऐड करके 120 मिल गया. And now you take 120 to RHS. RHS में लेके जाएंगे 120 को, कैसे लेके जाएंगे? जब यहाँ पर 120 ऐड हो रहा है, AC एंगल ACB के साथ एडिशन हो रहा है उसका, तो जब RHS में जाएगा तो सब्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा, माइनस. ओके, सो 180 minus 120 is 60. आंसर आ गया. द इजी वे टू अंडरस्टैंड इट इज दैट यू एड द फर्स्ट टू एंगल्स जो गिवन है आपको, उन दोनों को ऐड करिए और 180 में से माइनस कर लीजिए. यू विल गेट इट. ओके, अंडरस्टूड?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. But sir, I cannot understand this. That how you have, sir, how you have 120 in the RHS? How you have?
This is a method of solving an equation which you are going to learn slowly. It is starting of, you can say that you're learning that how to solve equations. So this is one of the methods. जब भी हम उल्टा काम करते हैं, जब भी कोई चीज LHS से RHS में लेके जाते हैं तो उल्टा करते हैं. अगर एडिशन हो रहा है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन कर लेते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा होता है और RHS में लेके जाएंगे तो एडिशन कर देंगे. तो दिस इज अ रूल. ओके, ये रूल होता है. Understood? Yes, understood? All of you? Have you all understood the question? First one? Tell me.
What?
Yes, Iram.
What?
Beta, have you
What
understood
sir
it?
you were talking? Yes sir.
Iram?
Yes sir.
Are?
Yes sir. Yes sir. I have understood.
Okay. Okay, so all of you now start doing the second part of this question. Question 2 करिए. And you all will give me your answer in the chat box. बिल्कुल सेम ऐसे ही करना है second part. You will give me your answer in the chat box. Okay? Start doing. I hope you all are doing. You all will give me your answer in the chat box of the second question. And post your answer in the group also. Everyone, after doing the second question, you all will post your answer in the group.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir,
I
if
put my answer in the chat box.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm saying that while doing the second question or when I have done the second question, sir, if the class ended, then we can do this exercise tomorrow, or we have to finish it today only.
No, we will do the exercise tomorrow. Don't worry. On Monday, we will do only second and third part in this period. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have post answer in group and chat box also.
Very good. After doing the second question and third question, everyone is supposed to post their answer in the group. Take a picture of your answer and post it in the group. Everyone, please post your answer in the group. Take a picture. Students, I am saying that those who have done the question, please post your answer in the group. Okay. Okay, those who have done, please post your answer in the group. Students, take a picture of your answer and post it in the group. Those who have done the second and third part. एक फोटो क्लिक करिए. I want to check whether you are doing it correctly or not.